Hi everyone. Today we're going to factor polynomials using the sum and difference of cubes pattern. We're going to factor the following polynomials. The patterns for sums and differences of cubes are a little more complicated. A cubed plus b cubed equals quantity a plus b times quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared, and a cubed minus b cubed equals quantity a minus b times quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. Once again, you can convince yourself that this pattern works by multiplying out the factored form. We need to distribute a to all three terms in the second factor and b to all three terms in the second factor. When you do this, you will see that the minus a squared b and the plus a squared b terms zero out, and so do the plus ab squared and the minus ab squared terms, leaving you with a cubed plus b cubed. To help you remember the patterns, it might be helpful to notice that the first sign matches with whether it's a sum or whether it's a difference. The second sign is the opposite, and then the third sign is always plus. For our first example, we're going to factor x cubed minus 8. We notice that x to the third and 8 are both perfect cubes. Notice that we don't care about whether the 8 is positive or negative because we're using the formula. We then figure out that x cubed is x to the third and 2 cubed is 8, so those are going to represent a and b. Now we just put it into the pattern. Place everything into its appropriate spots. And then once I do that, my last step will be to just clean everything up a little bit. Therefore, the factored form of x cubed minus 8 is quantity x minus 2 times quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4. And once again, if you want to check that it actually works, distribute everything back out. So in summary, first we have to notice the perfect cubes and then put everything into the pattern. Add another tool to your tool belt that'll help you with finding zeros of polynomial functions, because that's why we do factoring.